Hello again everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be moving 2,000 pounds of worm castings into our grow from our friends at Simple Grow. But before we get into today's video, folks, if you wouldn't mind, if you're new here to the channel, please consider subscribing. For those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate the support. If you guys are looking to support our farm any further, please check out our links in the description of the video, along with our friends Simple Grow. Their link is down there as well. So before we jump into the video, guys, we have to thank our friends at Simple Grow for sending the 2,000 pounds of worm castings. So we've been working with Simple Grow since about November 2021. We did a little beta testing indoors in our indoor grow, but ultimately the relationship was formed over the 2,000 pounds of worm castings. And when I was approached and talked to Simple Grow, I was just blown away by their product, by what they're offering, and I just couldn't believe that you could get a super sack of 2,000 pounds of worm castings for our grow. You know, worm castings are referred to in the industry as black gold, and there's a reason for that. There's so many benefits to worm castings. I'm probably not even going to list them all, but for our grow in particular, increased yields, increased flower production, you know, better water retention, which is huge, especially for me when it comes to runoff. I do not like runoff, especially into the Chesapeake Bay and the York River, which is nearby. So that's huge. It holds nutrients into the soil better because it retains water better. So whatever you put into your grow, it's going to retain it that much better. And then, of course, how could you forget all the beneficial microbes that come with the worm casting? So there's so many things to offer when it comes to worm castings. I was so excited to start working with Simple Grow. It has been an awesome relationship from the get-go. These guys had the worm castings here like that. I mean, they were on top of it. We had a sign made for the grow. I mean, this has been a fantastic relationship. I'm so excited to work with Simple Grow all grow season. So if you guys are really interested in anything Simple Grow has to offer, please check out their website link in the description below. If you guys have any questions about it, leave a comment. Don't forget to like the video. But let's stop talking about some worm castings. Let's get on the Kubota tractor here, and let's start putting 2,000 pounds into this grow. So before we get to shoveling, I really just want to show you guys how fine this stuff really is. I mean, take a look at how gorgeous and just smooth. This stuff is just incredible. It's almost like the texture of coffee grounds. That's how fine it is. So let's get to work. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to shovel in the first round, and then we're going to start taking the tractor and backing it up and kind of slowly spreading it with the bucket. That's how we added 2,000 pounds of Simple Grow's worm castings into our grow. You know, I can't thank Simple Grow enough. Please check out their website in the description below, simplegrow.com. These guys have some great and fantastic deals going on during the grow season, and their worm castings are second to none. I can't believe how well they looked and felt putting them into the grow. They've mixed in very, very well, and I'm excited to work with Simple Grow all season long. So I hope you guys stick around to see the progress of the plants throughout the entire grow season. But folks, that is it for today's video. If you guys are interested in supporting our farm, check out our website link in the description below. Don't forget to leave a comment, give the video a big thumbs up if you're still here. And of course, if you need to get in touch with me, Facebook, Instagram, and email are all great ways to do that. But folks, that's it for today. I hope you all stay happy, healthy, and I will see you in another video.